Hi students, welcome back to our channel VA Academy. So little gap the making videos due to some technical problems. I am very sorry. So this week onwards we will provide frequently the videos physics, chemistry and biology, all the recording the important bits. Today we will discussing the light lesson. So just a little bit we will change the importance of some of the students are requesting to us. The bits must be need lessons wise. So we are segregating all the bits, segregated all the bits each lesson. Then we will introduce this chapter light, for example light lesson. Then after physics, chemistry, biology, all three subjects we will go through as a lessons wise. So you please kindly cooperate to us and like and share and subscribe our channel. The most of the students are watching only but they are not subscribed. We are requesting to develop our channel and we are getting more videos for your convenient and for your future purpose. So please kindly cooperate with us. Let us start the most important bits of light lesson. So the first bit, the change of focal length due to, the right answer is ciliary muscles. The ciliary muscles is an eye changes the focal length of an eye lens to focus distance of near objects. Distance or near objects, so that is only responsible for the ciliary muscles. So the ciliary muscles is the main ciliary muscles is the rigid, the fixed and rigid of the retina, because the retina does not move here and there, it is rigidly the holding the retina of the ciliary muscles. The next question, the image formed by retina of eye is real and inverted. That is real and inverted. The image of focus is formed at the retina of the human eye is real and inverted. It is due to the presence of convex lens in the eye. Sometimes the question will ask to us, in the eye, the lens are acting as a, these are the convex lens. This is the important bit. The refractive index of the medium depends upon, generally it depends upon two factors. One is the nature of the medium and its optical density. Smaller the speed of light in the medium relative to the higher in the refractive index of the medium. That is the answer. The next question. The wavelength corresponding to the violet, yellow and red are, the right answer is actually the red light is greater than yellow, yellow light is greater than violet. This is the most important bit also. The next question. The phenomena of light responsible for the working of the human eye is, the answer is refraction. The next bit. The colored light that reflects most while passing through a prism. The right answer is violet color. Next question. The dynamo working on the principle of the right answer is electromagnetic induction. The electromagnetic induction is that of an electromotive force EMF by way of moving magnetic field around an electric conductor. Okay. The next question. What part of the eye reflects light entering the eye from external object? Generally, so little bit correction. That is really the right answer is cornea. A cornea is present in our eye. The first, our eye is protected by the sclerotic layer. The sclerotic layer is protect our eye inside of the important parts. The second one is the cornea. Cornea is a important part of in a human eye, because when a man donate which part of the eye means the right answer is cornea. The second, the important point, the cornea, if a man can donate cornea, how many hours before he must be donate? We have to take the, we have to inform the eye donation hospital. Within 3 hours, if a man died, you must be remove the cornea within 3 hours. The next question. The least distance of distant vision for our young adult with normal vision is about 25 centimeters. They must be maintained the distance in 25 centimeters. The next question. The purpose of choking in the tube light: reduce the current in the circuit. Generally, the vapors get exhausted and the particles, ultraviolet radiations, which interacts with the phosphorus or phosphorus coating of the inner walls of the tube light, and the phosphorus produced the glow of the light emitting from the tube light. A choking coil is used to produce that high voltage across the tube light. It will be controlled. That is the main factor. The next question. The human eye forms the image of any object at its. The right answer is retina. The next question. Lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. The next question. Power of lens of focal length p is equal to f1, where p the diopters and f is the focal length in meters. The next question. Astigmatism can be corrected by the right answer is cylindrical lens. In the question number 13, we will little bit clarity I will give it to you. The power of lens is inversely proportional to the focal length. It means a shorter focal length has more power. Long focal length is have less power. That is the difference between the two. Long focal length has the less power. Short focal length have the more power. Okay. So we will discussing about the bit number 14. Astigmatism can be corrected by the cylindrical lens. It is usually the result of an corneal deformation. In astigmatism, cornea or lens we have different, it is becomes scratched or deformation. Now, the lens have damaged or scratches. The different focal points and the different places places are axes. So the image we cannot be seen clearly because these are different focal lengths. That is the reason then we will use the cylindrical lens. The next question, minimum focal length of eye lens are, that is the 2.27. The distance between the lens and the retina, minimum focal length occurs when you are focused on the images at your near point. The minimum focal length of eye lens is 2.27 centimeters. The distance between the lens and retina is 2.7 centimeters. The focal length, minimum length of eye is 2.27. The next question, during refraction of light, one is does not change. The frequency never changes. The next question, the essential part of an eye acts as a sensitive screen. The sensitive screen is the cornea and the screen is the retina behaves as a screen. It will capture the object what you are seeing, that object will be captured. The object, when you are looking that object, first one the entering the sclerotic layer, then after sclerotic layer it cornea. After that cornea, the big black spot is pupil. At the pupil, the middle of the small drop point is known as iris. The iris is a small hole. When we are looking that object, the light entering through the small hole aperture, through light is passing through the iris. When this object, the light is focused on the lens. The lens or transfer the image on our retina. So the retina was connected with the optical nerves to the brain. These images can form in the electronic signals. So the brain can read and find the object. The next question, which part of the eye can relax or contract the adjustment of the size of the aperture? So the right answer is the iris, and iris can relax and contract adjusting of the size of the an aperture. Aperture means aperture is a hole or an opening through which the light travels. The next question, the space between eye lens and retina containing a transparent jelly, that is the vitreous humor. That is transparent jelly is present in between them. The next question, the scientist who proposed the wave theory. The first wave theory was proposed by Newton. According to the Newton's theory, light is a small, tiny, rigid, elastic particles. These are known as corpuscles. Corpuscles. The next question, how long does the image remains on your retina? The right answer is 1 by 16 seconds. The image formed on retina does not fade away intentionally, but its impression remaining on the retina for about 161 seconds even after remove an object. The next question, the quality of light eye is controlled by. The right answer is iris. The iris control the amount of light entering the eye. How much light is should be enter in our eye, so it control the iris. Astigmatism can be corrected. It is a common impression is the curvature of the eye. In this condition, the front surface of eye or the lens inside the eye curve uneven shape incident of light different directions. Due to different directions, so we are suffering the astigmatism. We cannot be seen the picture. That is the main reason of the incident. The next question: longest wavelength on the end of the spectrum, that is the red color VIBGR. The last color is the red color. The reason for blue sky is due to the molecules are present. These are the hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Blue light is scattering in all directions by the tiny molecules of air in the earth. It means that is the water particles. The atmosphere blue is scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter and smaller waves. This is why the same of blue color when we see blue sky most of the time. So that is the reason. The mirror used for the headlights of a car, parabolic concave. The next question: which mirror is used for the making of periscope, plane mirror? The next question: when light is entering from one medium to another medium, it deviates the original path is called refraction. In the refraction now, when the light is travel from rarer medium to denser medium, it always bends toward the normal or away from the normal. It depends upon the nature of the medium. So that is the refraction. What principle are involved in the optical fiber? The main principle is involved in the optical fiber is the total internal reflection. So what is meant by total internal reflection? The total internal reflection means when the light ray travel from denser medium to rarer medium, they make an angle more than 90 degrees. So it cannot be travel from denser medium to rarer medium. It reflected back to the same medium. It means it reflected back the denser medium. That is known as the total internal reflection. Dentist is used the name of the mirror, that is the concave. So these are the important bits regarding our light lesson. So I hope if you are like, please kindly subscribe, like and share our channel. Please encourage to us. We will make more videos. Next lesson we will coming very soon. That is the biology. Biology is classified into the zoology and botany. So I hope this, if you are like, please kindly subscribe, like and share and encourage to us. Thank you very much.